Well, they say that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and whoever they are, they're absolutely right. Beauty is really in the eye of the beholder, and Shofit decodes why this old saying holds true even today in the era of Instagram and TikTok filters. We often disagree with friends or family on which celebrity is more attractive. Your gang can never reach a consensus over who the prettiest girl in class is or the most handsome guy in college. The reason for this is how we perceive beauty has a lot to do with our personal experiences. The results of a 2015 study published in the journal Current Biology showed that even twins have differences in opinions, and these differences are shaped by the varying life experiences each person has. Thus, life experiences and different opinions shape our idea of beauty and affect who we find attractive. Of course, some aspects of beauty are universal and could only be coded into our genes. For instance, people tend to find symmetrical faces attractive. But beyond such limited shared preferences, people really do have their own type or facial features that they find attractive. The 2015 study determined if the environment we live in affects our ideas of aesthetics. The study found that even with twins who grow up together in the same house, their individual environment, which includes their friends and what they see in the media, differs. Thus, even if people grow up in the same environment and share similar experiences, their individual perception of attractiveness differs. According to a study conducted in 2001, our genes are encoded to find symmetrical faces more attractive. A beautiful face shows us the artistry of good genes, something a brain is encoded to look for in a mate to produce offspring with good genes. Attractive faces are not a reflection of underlying good qualities, yet the stereotype that beautiful is good holds as our brain is programmed to seek out the genes implied by a symmetric face in a mate or a partner. Our faces are also sculpted by our hormones, and some facial features of adult men and women reflect the ratio of testosterone to estrogen or vice versa. Women are programmed to be drawn to men with strong indicators of maleness, and men are drawn to women with strong indicators of femaleness. Hormones play a role in forming the facial features of an individual and so affect the degree of their attractiveness for the opposite gender. A high level of sex hormone during puberty suppresses the immune system, making an individual vulnerable to diseases. But when such a person makes it to adulthood with unimpaired health, it shows that he or she has a robust constitution that could be a healthy mate. As per a 1990 study, the attractive faces are the ones that are symmetric but also close to the average looks. During the study, when individuals were presented with faces of good-looking people, the ones with looks close to average were rated more attractive than the ones with more distinctive faces. Averageness reflects that the individual is unlikely to carry harmful mutations and are healthy. Average looks are also easier to process. Easy on the eyes is equal to easy on the brain. There is a reason why stereotypes related to beauty exist, as some of them are true. Our clothes, makeup, and personality does make us attractive. According to a 2008 study, women wearing makeup in a bar are more likely to be approached by men than women not wearing makeup. A 2006 study showed that the effect of makeup on the beholder is as high as that of a conventionally attractive facial structure. Beauty sleep should never be underestimated. Getting a good night's sleep contributes to the beauty of both men and women. A group of Swedish and Dutch researchers conducted experiments to gauge the attractiveness of participants after a period of sleep deprivation and after a good night's sleep. Individuals who had slept well were rated more attractive than those who were sleep deprived. Positive emotions also make a person attractive. We are drawn to people who smile. It has been scientifically proven that attractive faces that smile produce more activity in the viewer's orbitofrontal cortex than do attractive faces with neutral expressions. So sleep 7 hours at night, eat healthy, and smile a lot, as everyone is beautiful in his or her own way. For more on beauty, sleep, and mental health, tune into ShowFit.